You aren't lazy, and you probably aren't burnt out either. The truth is much worse. Your brain is literally addicted to cheap dopamine. Every time you scroll, swipe, or click, you are training your mind to hate hard work. It is slowly destroying your absolute potential. You sit down to work, but 5 minutes later you are staring at your phone. You don't even remember picking it up. This happens because your dopamine baseline is completely fried. Normal tasks feel incredibly boring because they cannot compete with instant digital gratification. But you can fix this. You can actually rewire your brain to crave hard work and finally stop procrastinating on your biggest goals. Today, we are breaking down 3 psychological tricks to reset your dopamine and get your focus back. Let us dive right into it. Trick number 1 is called the morning delay. How you spend the first hour of your day dictates how your entire day goes. If you wake up and immediately check your phone, you are flooding your brain with cheap dopamine before you even get out of bed. You are telling your brain that it does not have to work to feel good. This makes everything else you do feel utterly exhausting. Instead, try delaying your screen time for just 1 hour after waking up. Do anything else. Drink water, stretch, or make some black coffee. By keeping dopamine low in the morning, you force your brain to seek it through actual meaningful accomplishments later in the day. Trick number 2 is embracing the concept of high-friction environments. You procrastinate because your distractions are simply way too easy to access right now. If your phone is sitting right next to your keyboard, you will grab it. It is human nature to take the path of least resistance. You have to make your bad habits incredibly difficult to do. Put your phone in another room, or turn it completely off while working. Block distracting websites on your computer using an app. If it takes 5 extra steps to check social media, you probably won't bother. At the same time, make your good habits as easy as possible. Leave your gym clothes out or keep a book directly on your pillow. Trick number 3 is using the 2-minute rule. When a task feels massive and overwhelming, your brain will naturally want to avoid it completely. You tell yourself you need to study for 4 hours or work out for an hour. That mountain of effort creates instant mental resistance. So trick your own brain. Tell yourself you are only going to work on that specific task for exactly 2 minutes and then stop. Put on your running shoes and step outside. Open the document and write just 1 single sentence. That's all you really have to do. Once you start, the friction completely disappears. You will almost always keep going because starting is always the hardest part of the entire process. Action actually creates motivation, not the other way around. Waiting until you feel like doing something means you will end up waiting around forever. You have to take control back from the algorithms that are stealing your attention. Your time is your most valuable asset in this entire life. Stop giving it away to things that don't matter. Start treating your focus like a muscle that needs to be trained every single day. It will feel very uncomfortable at first. Your brain will throw a tantrum and beg for that quick hit of cheap dopamine. Ignore it entirely. Push through that initial boredom. On the other side of that boredom is a deep state of focus where you do your absolute best work. Imagine where you could be in 6 months if you simply stopped getting in your own way. The progress you could make is truly staggering. You could build that business, get in the absolute best shape of your life, or finally learn that new skill you always talk about doing. But nothing will change if you do not change your daily inputs. You must protect your energy and fiercely guard your attention from today onward. Start small. Implement just one of these 3 tricks right now. Delay your morning phone use, increase friction on distractions, or use the 2-minute rule. Prove to yourself that you are fully capable of doing hard things. Build that self-trust back up, one tiny, heavily focused action at a time. Consistency is the only real secret here. You do not need extreme motivation. You just need the discipline to start, even when you feel terrible. The life you want is hiding behind the work you are avoiding right now. Stop running from the effort and start leaning into the discomfort. Reclaim your focus, reset your dopamine, and watch how quickly your entire reality transforms. You have the absolute power to change everything right now. If this video helped you shift your mindset today, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more daily insights from Daily 5. We drop quick, actionable advice every single day to help you level up your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.